Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a healthy curry leaves makhana recipe which can be enjoyed as a healthy snack by the whole family. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. Now, if you're a regular on my channel, then you may have noticed that I use a lot of curry leaves in my recipes. The blessing of living in Kerala is that I get organic garden fresh curry leaves. In Kerala, most homes have one or two curry leaves plants in their backyards. Recent studies shows that curry leaves are a good source of antioxidants. The presence of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, C, and E helps in reducing oxidative stress and free radicals. In addition to weight loss, curry leaves helps to prevent diabetes, improves eyesight, reduce anemia, helps in good digestion, maintains a healthy liver, gives a glow to your skin, helps in hair growth and prevent hair fall, builds immunity and much more. So whenever I get organic garden fresh curry leaves, I make sure I include it in my family's diet so that the whole family can enjoy the benefits of curry leaves. Heat a cast iron pan, add in 4 cups of makhana and roast on low to medium flame. Makhana, also known as lotus seed, are highly nutritious and a healthy snack option for children. They are gluten-free, protein-rich and low in calories, hence ideal snack to include in your weight loss journey. Once roasted, the makhanas should be crispy and crunchy, and then remove to a plate. In the same pan, add in 1 teaspoon desi ghee and reduce the flame to lowest and add in 7 to 8 whole Kashmiri chilies and roast it on low flame. Add in fresh curry leaves, about 1 to 1.5 cups of curry leaves, and lightly fry the curry leaves as well. The leaves should become crisp and crumble easily. Only then this will stay good for up to a month. Turn off the flame and add in half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon black pepper powder, pink Himalayan salt as needed, and mix all this really well. Allow the spices to get lightly roasted on the residue heat of the pan so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Add in half teaspoon chaat masala, 3/4 teaspoon amchur powder, also known as dry mango powder. Mix all this really well and then transfer it to a chutney grinder and grind it to a fine powder and keep aside. Heat another teaspoon desi ghee in the same pan and add in half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon methi seeds and give it a mix. Add in a sprig of curry leaves, 1/3 cup of pottu kadala and lightly roast it. Add in half cup peanuts and lightly roast it as well. Once roasted, add in the ground curry leaves mix and stir well. Then add in the roasted makhana and mix well, and healthy makhana with the goodness of curry leaves is ready to serve. Once completely cooled down, store in an airtight glass container. So I made this for my daughter to carry to PG hostel. Kids when living in hostel will have low immunity, hair fall issues, etc. So this is a good healthy way to make them snack healthy, plus you get the benefits of curry leaves. These curry leaves makhana will stay good at room temperature for more than a month if stored in an airtight glass container. Also note that I used a cast iron pan. Cast iron helps to retain more heat, and not only that, it also helps in better iron absorption. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, try to cook at least one meal in a cast iron tawa. So guys, do try this healthy curry leaves makhana and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.